marking a milestone anniversary, 50 years of the South African Tamil Federation. For the past 50 years, the South African Tamil Federation has persevered to make a positive impact on the Tamil-speaking community. A celebration of this milestone anniversary was held at the Clearwood Tamil Institute on Saturday, the 14th of April 2018, which coincides with the Tamil New Year 5119. The president of the SATF, Dr. Mickey Chetty, hosted the function with many other dignitaries, and this is what they had to say.
On behalf of the South African Tamil Federation, I wish all the Tamil community in South Africa a prosperous and a good new year over this period of time. Thank you.
I would like to take this opportunity of wishing all the people throughout the whole world who are celebrating Tamil New Year, especially for South Africans. This year we're going to make things happen in terms of our language and our culture, so please join us. Thank you.
Thank you very much. It was a wonderful privilege to be here and to witness this function. Thank you so much.
Sir, what is your message to all Tamilians around the diaspora?
Well, the first message is Happy New Year to everyone. It's wonderful to link up with people throughout the world to be able to celebrate this Tamil New Year and have in common our culture and our bonds. I also want to say, as far as the South African Tamil Federation is concerned, that on their 50th anniversary, it's an important moment in time for them to reflect on what they've achieved. And also
let me firstly convey good wishes on behalf of the provincial government on the remarkable achievement of 50 years of the Federation. Don't underestimate it. And I hope our young people can really appreciate what effort, what initiative, what leadership it took of our forebears at that time in those conditions to have the vision to start this movement.
Ladies and gentlemen, it was the resolution moved at the historic mass meeting held at the NTVS Hall in 1967, where accredited delegates from 22 Tamil organizations deliberated and decided to hold a 3-day Tamil conference, which was subsequently held in 1968 and constituted the democratically elected parent body, today known as the South African Tamil Federation. It is with proud record of having served the Tamils of South Africa with dignity and decorum that the South African Tamil Federation today stands as the standard bearer of Tamil culture and the protector and the preserver of Tamil heritage in South Africa.
Tamils are people who believe in the freedom of speech. And when one thinks of the fiery firebrand of a political leader, Subramania Bharatiyar, who said, Yam Arenda Murigadile Tamil Muriye Pol Inidavadi Yangam Khanam. And he was such a outspoken Tamilian. Even Vallavar in the Kural makes reference to the spoken word, and he says, the gift of the tongue is indeed a gift that is subordinate to no other gift. But more than that, ladies and gentlemen, when we do use the tongue, when we release the brakes on the tongue, we should ensure that the brain is engaged in gear, because it's so easy to say the wrong thing. So when we say Vilambi Varasham, reference to the spoken word, I think it's advisable for us to think before talking.
மலை மேலே வாழுகின்ற மாதவா, மலை மேலே வாழுகின்ற மாதவா, மக்கள் குறை தீர்க்க மனம் இறங்கோ தூயவா, மலை மேலே வாழுகின்ற மாதவா, மக்கள் குறை தீர்க்க மனம் இறங்கும் தூயவா, மலை மேலே வாழுகின்ற மாதவா.
Now, it's vitally important that we understand that as a community, we are quite successful as a community. We are, and if you look around you, there are people that have been able to use their skills not only to advance themselves, but to advance their communities. That's how there is this success that we enjoy. But it's also vital to understand that we are not an island as a community. We are part and parcel of the greater South Africa. And what this vision statement does is that it merges those two visions, the idea of the necessity to protect our cultural rights, but simultaneously recognizing that we are part of a greater South Africa.
And the government of the day has always supported the initiatives of the South African Tamil Federation as far as Tamil education is concerned. So we have the government, the national minister, Angie Masheka, she supported our initiatives. Even in our last function, she also sent a message to the South African Tamil Federation when we launched the textbooks.
ரசாய் தடகடதோம் 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 தோம் தோம் தனனன தேனன
வட்டமிட்டு வட்டமிட்டு கமல காமினி நடன ராகினி ஹே வட்டமிட்டு வட்டமிட்டு கமல காமினி நடன ராகினி மேகத்துண்டு ஆடிக்கொண்ட என்னுடைய வாசல் வந்த எனது கணவனின் ஆசை காதலி நிலவென ஒளியினை வீசிட வந்தாளே என் பாதங்களும் தம தம தமாக்குதாம் என் இதயமும் தம தம தமாக்குதாம் என் பாதங்களும் தம தம தமாக்குதாம் என் இதயமும் தம தம தமாக்குதாம்
The SATF also honored and recognized the presidents and vice presidents and executive members of the provinces, together with affiliates and the broader community members, for their role in shaping the organizations. Miki Chetty wished the Tamil community a happy, safe and prosperous New Year.
మురళి రవలోలం కోడి మదనల పుణ్యలా భజామి గోపాలం గోపాల కృష్ణ స్ప్రింగ్ఫీల్డ్ శివ సుబ్రహ్మణ్య కోవిలి నారాయణ శ్రీయం పెరుమాళే నారాయణ गोपी जन मन मोगन रावज 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 कुवलय तन नीलम कुवलय तन नीलम गोपाला हरे कृष्णा मुकुंदा मुरारी जय कृष्णा मुकुंदा मुरारी everybody come on कृष्णा मुकुंदा मुरारी जय कृष्णा मुकुंदा मुरारी हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण नंदलाला जय कृष्ण कृष्ण नंदलाला गोविंद रघुरामा नंदलाला गोपाला कृष्ण गोपाला नंदलाला गोविंदा गोविंदा गोपाल कृष्ण 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 गोविंद नाम संकीर्तन गोविंदा गोविंदा Thank you.
The International Movement for Tamil Culture 5119 Tamil program was hosted by the IMTC. Dr. P.K. Maestri stressed on Tamil unity.
Today is the Tamil New Year, that's 5119. That alone says we are in the English calendar of 2018. So our Tamil history goes back almost 5,019 years. That is a momentous number of years. And remember, we coming to South Africa or landing on the shores of South Africa in 1860, look where we are today. Look at yourselves. Look at what we've achieved in this country for so few years that we've been here. We are interacting with Tamilians around the world. So I'm going to leave you by saying everything of the best for the Tamil New Year. And we heard Guru Vaipuri at the Clever Tamil Institution saying that this is going to be a wonderful year for everybody. The most wonderful year in the calendar of the Tamil people.
அருள் மணக்கும் முருகன் மலரடி நிழலில் எனக்கும் இடம் உண்டு. கார்த்திகை விளக்கு பெண்களுடன் திருக்காவடி சுமக்கும் தொண்டருடன் கார்த்திகை விளக்கு பெண்களுடன் திருக்காவடி சுமக்கும் தொண்டருடன் தினம் பூத்திடும் ஞாப மலர்களுடன் ஒரு புல்லாய் முளைத்த தடுமாறம் புல்லாய் முளைத்த தடுமாறம்.
செந்தூரின் கடலோரம் செந்தூரின் கடலோரம் அந்த முருகனின் போர்க்காலம் கடலோர கோயிலே வீரர் கோலம் கடலோர கோயிலே வீரர் கோலம் பாரு திருச்செந்தூர் மண்ணெல்லாம் திருநீரு பாரு திருச்செந்தூர் மண்ணெல்லாம் திருநீரு. கோரபாவி அந்த சூரபத்மன் அவனை வென்றான் சக்திவேல் முருகன். நதியில் மரமாய் ஒளித்த சூரனே சக்திவேலினாரே பிறந்தான் முருகன். சேவலும் மயிலுமாய் பிறவி கொண்டானே அதை ரெண்டும் கொண்டான் பாலமுருகன் நம்ம பாலமுருகன். திருப்பரங்குன்றத்திலே போக வேணும் ஐயன் திருமண கோலத்தை பார்க்க வேணும். சூரனை வெற்றி பெற்ற வீரனுக்கு இந்திரன் மணமகளாய் கொடுத்தான் குஞ்சரியே. சங்கரன் மைந்தனுக்கும் இந்திரன் மகளுக்கும் கல்யாணமே திரு கல்யாணமே. பார்க்க ஆண்டவன் பழமுதிர்த்த பழமுதிர் சோலை வீடு வச்சி பொண்ணு மீது நேசம் கொண்ட ஈசன் மகன் அவளை மனம் கொண்ட பழமுதிர் சோலை பந்தாடும் மங்கையரே பாடலியே நம்ம கந்தன் கருணையை பாடலியே ஆறுபடை வீதமந்தாருடன் புகழ் ஆனந்தமாய் பாடியாடலியே பந்தாடும் மங்கையரே பாடலியே நம்ம கந்தன் கருணையை பாடலியே நம்ம கந்தன் கருணையை பாடலியே நம்ம கந்தன் கருணையை பாடலியே முருகா
What a splendid performance, and for this we must have another round of applause.
Learn to Speak Tamil, which was coordinated by Shivani Chinnappan and Veeramani Kannan, was celebrated on the 15th of April 2018 in Phoenix. Vela Kistan was honored by the Saiva Siddhanta Sangam, headed by Kistan Chinnappan. The upliftment of Tamil culture through Tamil music.
Just have joined us. A very good afternoon to you. Vanakkam. Ladies and gentlemen, may I ask you to please rise as we welcome our guest of honor. Ladies and gentlemen, please help us welcome Aya Vela Kistan.